Flanges are used where periodic dismantling is required and for convenient transition to metallic piping or components such as pumps and metal valves. AquaRise flanges have solvent cement socket ends and the same bolt hole dimensions as Class 150 metal flanges per ANSI B16.5. Two types of AquaRise flanges are offered: solid, one-piece flanges, and Vanstone two-piece flanges, which assist with bolt hole alignment. Both flange styles have a pressure rating of 150 psi at 73 degrees Fahrenheit or 23 degrees Celsius. Full pressure flange kits are available to increase the operating pressure of solid one-piece AquaRise flanges to the same level of AquaRise pipe and fittings. 400 psi at 73 degrees Fahrenheit or 23 degrees Celsius, and 150 psi at 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. These kits consist of a solid flange, split metal backing ring, connecting hardware, and an NSF 61 listed elastomeric gasket. Always use a torque wrench to tighten bolts in incremental steps to the torque values shown in the table, using the cross-star sequence. Note: full pressure flange kits are not compatible with two-piece Vanstone flanges. For more information, refer to the AquaRise technical manual or contact IPEX directly. Visit us at ipexaquarise.com.